Welcome back to the Hiwin Servo Motor tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run the motor in PP mode. Let's understand what is a PP mode and how it works. PP stands for Profile Position, which means the controller provides the data such as a target position and a velocity to the driver to generate the motion profile. Once the data is provided, then a bit is triggered to execute the motion. Why do we use the PP mode rather than the CSP mode? There are two main reasons. The first reason is to use the driver's internal function, such as homing function. The next reason is to switch between operation mode, for example, the torque mode and the velocity mode. Let's set up with PP mode. Make sure you have already wired up. Please check if you can jog the motor and the motor feedback position is correct. Create a new PLC program, then copy-paste variable and program from the link below. Add library TC2 EtherCAT because we will use SDO. You may need to consider SDO if your data is more than 32 bytes. In this case, the SDO is writing velocity and acceleration. Compile the program, make sure there is no error. After that, we will edit the PDO to include the driver's homing method, then do a PDO mapping. Let's start the sequence. Reset the driver if there's any error. Perform a homing using method 33, which is using the internal index sensor. Perform a point-to-point to 3600 degrees. You can pause it by triggering the hot bit. Continue. Once it is done, you can repeat the sequence. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use C# programming with API to control the motor. Thank you. I will see you next time.